Pierce Morgan. So we're here in the bazaar, in the marketplace. We're here to arrest someone. And we're here to arrest a woman for shopping and leaving her in her cage. Sister, what are you doing here? Don't you know it's illegal for you to be out of your cage? You're not allowed to go shopping and you're speaking. You can't speak in public.
No, it's okay. I'm here for shopping. It's allowed for women.
Wait. Pierce Morgan said you're not allowed out of your cage. So how are you here?
No, a woman can shop freely, but if she want to go far, she need a male guardian.
Pierce Morgan, do you hear that? Man, I was listening to you and then I almost, arrested this girl. But thankfully, she know her rights in Afghanistan.
We are free, alhamdulillah, we are free. We can go to the restaurants, we can go for shopping, we can do anything we want. Alhamdulillah, we are free in Afghanistan.